We've seen the sizes of infrastructure funds of the investment vehicles swell to now as large as $30 to $40 billion. What's the effect been of that on the infrastructure market and the opportunity set?
Well, I think infrastructure, when you look at the deployment annually, we've been deploying $2.5 trillion as investors, but the need is actually $3.3 trillion. Wow. So there's plenty for all of us to invest in, and there's different strategies. So some funds are short-term, we're long-term investors, so there's enough for everybody.
What societal or business problem keeps you up at night these days, and why?
I would say we're really at an important moment right now, in my opinion, where technological advancements, or if you want, technological disruptions are happening. You think about AI, you can think about batteries, solar panels. There's so much going on right now, robotics, that I believe we're at a point where, as a long-term investor, we need to take those into consideration and think forward in 20 years. And things are moving at an exponential rate. So that's what keeps me up at night. It's, on one hand, very exciting, and on the other hand, we need to understand them and to take advantage of those technologies and understand the impact on what we have today in our portfolios. So, and apart from that, there's also if you want, the generational changes. When you look at, for example, millennials, the way they look at things is, I would say, slightly different than the way we think of things. So we need to integrate that into the way we also think of the future, how our cities are going to be built, how are we going to invest, what are the values that are important, and we need to integrate those into the way we think in our investments long term.